at Skills Cymru 2010, there's a lot of noise being made about engineering. So why should you consider a career in engineering? What's so special about it?
Engineering is a really exciting profession to go into. Lots of variety every day when you go into work. You can be working on the technical side, you can be working on engineering systems, quality. There's many things that you can get out of working in engineering.
Engineering is very important. We call them the STEM subjects: science, technology, engineering and maths. And STEM subjects are vital for any economy of any country. And what's really essential is that we have these people coming through university, graduating. You know, we have a continual pipeline of these people.
Well, there's so many different types of engineering that you can have. It's a really exciting place to work in Tata. You've got big machinery and you've got molten metal. And it's not just a job for a man, it's a job for a woman too.
We're here at Skills Cymru 2010 investigating the nuts and bolts of engineering. So, what types of jobs are there?
There's phenomenally amounts of different jobs in engineering, from mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, electrical engineering, petroleum engineering. It's broken down into so many categories that there's so many options from a base qualification in engineering to diversify into many fields.
There's quite a lot to manufacturing, and you've got electrical, you've got mechanical, and there's a lot of other things in engineering.
Rydyn ni yma yn Sgiliau Cymru 2010 yn Stadiwm y Millennium I ffindio allan sut I gael swydd mewn peirianneg. A pwy sy'n well I clywed ganddynt na rhywun sy'n wedi wneud hynny?
I'm on the direct entry graduate scheme at Airbus. It's a 2-year scheme and you have to have a relevant degree is what they call it. So for me, I joined as a systems engineer working fuel, so I had to have an engineering degree. So I did 4 years at Bristol University doing avionics as a master's. And then I applied online and then had like an assessment centre and all that kind of stuff. And then they said, yes, we'd like you to come and work, and I started a year ago now.
So, if you want to power your way into a career in engineering, what qualifications do you need?
You need 5 GCSEs to get onto the apprenticeship programme within Tata, and also we take functional trainees and graduates as well that will hopefully be starting next year.
To join as a craft apprentice, you need 5 GCSEs, a grade C and above, must include English, maths and science, as usual, and also you would be expected to have some technical subject as well within that. If you joined as a higher apprentice, then you would come in with 6 GCSEs, a grade B and above, and then you would have 2 A-levels, one of which must be maths or physics at grade C and above.
We start at a level 3 BTEC National Diploma in Engineering. We do electrical and mechanical engineering, and from that point you can move on to a foundation degree or a higher degree and then diversify from that point.
So where are the jobs in engineering? Who are the big employers in Wales?
Quite numerous companies, to be honest with you, too many to name really, but if you're out there and you're in the right place at the right time, there's a lot of high value engineering jobs out there.
The Anglesey Island energy projects can offer many opportunities for people. We're looking into nuclear power and also renewable power as well, so that opens a wide range of different skills that we need within this industry.
Felly, os oes da chi diddordeb I weithio mewn peirianneg, lle chi'n dechrau?
Well, you could start off as a craft apprentice, as I did. I came through the craft apprenticeship programme and then went on and did different courses as I went through my apprenticeship. You can come in as a higher apprentice, or you can come in as a graduate. There's many ways that you can join into our programmes.
Well, Tata has a talent programme every year that people can apply, and when they get through the selection process, it's really well trained within the engineering field.
So if you want to rev up your career, what's the best advice from the experts?
Give it a go, try hard and show them how good you are. There's a lot of opportunities.
Try and find somewhere we can get some work experience. Volunteer to go along or on a weekend or during your holidays. Try and get a taste for the opportunities that are available there and the roles and responsibilities that you may have.
So you just need to be enthusiastic. It's a really good environment to work in, so you've just got to plan for the future and really work hard at school.
Don't you think it's really fantastic to be able to say I made that? And if you look at all, if you go over to the Airbus stand and see their landing gear and all the engineers, the apprentice engineers working on that, and making it better. It must be very exciting.
So if you want to find out more, where can you go?
Cerwch at sgiliaucymru.co.uk. Look there.